Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure EIGRP using GNS3. So let's start all of the devices first and inspect the current configuration. Let's see if there's any existing routing protocol. Alright, so as you can see, there's none as of the moment. Alright, let's start configuring the EIGRP. Let's try first in R2. Router and then EIGRP keyword and then the AS number, autonomous system number. Make sure that they're all the same. This is the wildcard mask. You can see it here. It is asking for a wildcard instead of a subnet mask. Let's go to R1. You can see that there's already an adjacency formed between R1 and R2. Let's double check the subnet. /16. So that would be 00255.255. Let's double check the routing table. You can see it here now. The network 172.16, which is belong to R3, is now learned by D or EIGRP. Alright, since the routes are all set, they should see each other now. Let's try to ping the PC2. And it's replying. PC1. Alright, it's all set. Alright, so that's how you configure EIGRP using GNS3.